asked on their website. Okay, it was perfect for anything under 15 minutes. Went to look for it today and couldn't find it on my computer. That's because I just launched a recorder. I didn't actually download anything. If you go down here, let me see. So here, sorry, as you would, you might click on Start Recording for free, which takes you to another page. A bit slow at the moment, I'm afraid. And it gives you a couple of options for then. And it does download. It does download something. But it doesn't actually download to the computer. It's like a temporary recorder. So I went to launch it today and there's nothing there. It's just a sort of a temporary file on your computer. And as soon as you go off, you lose it. So, right, sorry about that, I was just browsing. So, what would you do? Which I've just done a few minutes ago. Get the full install. Okay, get the full install, including some screenshot tool. Haven't used that yet. Yesterday, but it was just some temporary launch recorder. Typing in different things, Screencast, Matic, and so on, but nothing was coming up. Bit annoyed. I started thinking it was an online recorder only, but it's offline as well. Well, for up to 15 minutes. Pretty good. So, let's go and have a look for that. I'll come off this. So, down the bottom, the down, you record anything within a frame, so hopefully it shows up. So in the search, what was it called? Matic. So once you download, install, if I typed in right. Okay, it stopped for a bit. It told me my microphone stopped working. Not certain what's happening there. Done it a few times. So anyway, on the downloads, click on downloads. That's today. Install screen. Okay, it happened again. Working. Keeps freezing. Anyway, recorder. That's what I downloaded. You see, much smaller recorder. But this one you actually install. Sections. Those are my download folders. It's actually in this search bar that you will find it. If you type in, I don't know if the microphone's still working, install cast Matic. Okay, froze a few times. Microphone keeps stopping working. Not certain what's happening there. Maybe it wasn't all fully installed or something. But basically, That's what downloads. That's the full version. And you'd have to search for that title in the search button there, and you'll find it. And then go through the wizard installation. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to show that again, because it'll probably go off again. I'm going to have to sort this out, find out why there is a microphone error. It's frozen about 4 times. But that's where you'll find it, and the downloads.